Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder and Nance, and today is Tuesday Tips. Now let's put a timer up and let's get to it. First, I wanted to talk about pattern weights. Pattern weights online are fairly expensive, and in order to get quite a few of them, it can cost quite a bit of money. Now, if you head over to Lowe's or Home Depot, you can pick up this box or any box of flat washers. Now, I picked up the 1/2 inch one where the inside hole right here is a 1/2 inch, and if you look, put it up here, it's about 1/2 inch as a diameter inside of the hole. They have larger ones, and you can pick up ones that are full 1 inch, and they're going to be quite a bit larger and a little bit heavier than the ones that I picked up. This box actually has 50 of them in the box, and I've gone ahead and done several of them already, as you can see, and most of them I've already gone ahead and doubled them up to give them just a little bit of weight to them to be able to hold my patterns down. And the reason why I like the smaller ones is I can actually put the smaller ones onto different patterns that are smaller, and I don't have to worry about holding down different parts of the actual pattern. As you can see right here, just do that and that'll hold down the pattern onto my fabric. And if you need heavier ones, you can actually take these and glue these up also, like this. And what I did, you can use all sorts of types of glue, but I went ahead and picked up very cheap gel controlled super glue, and I just take it, but you just take the super glue and go around. Put it on there and use that one as a little bit of a weight. And it's real quick, fast, easy, and you can actually use these as gifts for other people too. It holds the pattern down and also your fabric.